In this video, I will show you how to use and how to view the log file saved by the wm-eterm software. When reading out operational parameters of a WME modem or configuring these modems, the wm-eterm software is logging the communication between the modem and the computer. Once you've started the wm-eterm, enter the data required for login and click to the Login button. Then select the type of your modem. If you have already created a connection profile for your modem, select the connection profile below and click to the device information icon. Then the wm-eterm and the modem will be communicating with each other. If you open the Communication tab, you can see and check the current modem PC communication. In the Communication tab, you can customize the type filter if you want to see only some selected message types. wm-eterm saves all of the communication into a log file, which you can open and check at any time. This is helpful in troubleshooting cases when having certain errors. In case of troubleshooting, it is also helpful to click on the log icon in the top menu, where you can open previously created log files. Click on the drop-down list and select the log file created with the most recent date. Then click on the Load button. When open the file, you can see the messages sorted by date, therefore you can read the oldest messages at the top. In the loaded list, you can find the executed commands and the responses sent by the modem, information messages, communication errors, if you have set the modem's connection profile incorrectly. If you click on the gear icon in the top menu, the settings part will appear, or you can use the settings menu and edit settings item. Click to the Files tab in the last line at Log Files field, where you can set the directory where the program should save the log files. Based on this path, you can find the previously saved log files in .log format text files. If you put them in chronological order, the latest wm-eterm log can be found easily. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to expand your knowledge of our products and software, check our other video tutorials.